Welcome to our second XCOM meeting. Thank you for joining us today. And let's start with the Hall of Fame awards. I'll just share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible, Abrar.
Okay. Anthony, can
Yeah,
you guide us with this, or
yeah.
you want me to take charge?
No, I will. I will.
Okay. Thank you.
If you just allow me to share my screen, maybe instead of you, so that it's easier for control.
Okay.
Could you please allow me to? You may have to stop sharing your screen. Thank you. And allow me to share my screen. So please allow participants to share screen. Go to security and allow participants to share screen.
Check now.
Thank you. Uh, well, to everyone, is the screen visible?
Yes,
Yes,
Anthony.
Anthony.
Okay. So very quickly, let me tell you what Hall of Fame awards are. Every Toastmaster year has a couple of awards for what you do. So it works like motivation for many of the members and also for the club in general. Last program term, we had a lot of awards coming our side, even though we started with zero. This time we are not at zero, which means that we are halfway through, many of us finishing their levels, finishing their parts, and that can work in your benefit. Let's quickly dive into it. Now, this was a presentation that was done at the district. There are different categories of awards. Now, there is a district director award. Now, when you say district director awards, CGD awards, PQD awards, these are offices of the Toastmasters who state the award. Now, as for example, in Goa, you have, let's say, the Kala, whatever, you know, the Sahitya Akademi Award will be one category. Goa Art and Culture Award will be one category. So every office instates awards, right? So similarly, there are different offices in Toastmasters or in the district. So the first office is that of a district director awards. Now, this district director awards, the first award that they have taken is a Toastmaster of the Year. Now, this will be one Toastmaster, okay, will be given an award of a Toastmaster of the Year. So, a member who makes outstanding contribution to the district, the member who should fulfill the requirements in the prescribed form. So, if you click here, it will take you to the uh, it will take you to a form wherein you will see how the points are calculated. This is already shared on the group, so ensure you, uh, peruse through it. Okay, just give me a moment. I'm taking this for convenience. So this is how you will apply. Okay, you will put your name, candidate, whatever. Every time, every place you will have a point that you'd have to put. So for enthusiasm, dedication, helping others, attendance. Now, this generally will be at the discretion of the president and the VP head who will have to take a call. So when a member wants to nominate themselves for this, they will say, okay, you know what, we want to nominate ourselves, and then you give them scores for this. Either it's five, 3, or 1. Be very honest because we count on your integrity. Attendance. Now, to prove your attendance, generally you have the reports. That's why I kind of always tell you guys to maintain records, maintain registration list, everything is because you can check the person has come for all the meetings. You give them, let's see, if there's 100% attendance, 10 points. If the person has been a club officer, if it's one of you who have been, you get 6 points straight away if you have been there for 6 months or 1 year. If you've been a newsletter editor, if you have edited a newsletter that the club does, you could give yourself some more marks here. The pathways, if you have completed level 1, level 2, whatever, every time you complete one path, each path will give you a point. Each path. So it's not just if you're at 4, not just 8, you will get 5, 6, 7, 8. Means if you've completed it in that term. Similarly, for um, for project speeches, how many, whatever number of speeches you give, you put your marks here. Contest, if you have just if you have participated in a contest, if you have won a contest, you get more. So every time you win, you get a higher. If you have done a speech craft or club succession series, so these are things you really need to look at to get an understanding of how things function. Okay, so that is at the stage of uh, at the district stage. Now, the application for that should be sent to the respective area director. That means the first it will come to the president or the VP head. Both of you will decide, complete the form, and then send it to me. I will take it ahead. Okay. So the area directors will select and forward 2 nominations to the division directors. So that means from my area, I will take 2 best. I will choose then. Generally, it's looking at the score, and then I will cross verify. So just because you say I've attended 10 meetings or all the meetings 100%, I will not take it. You will have to give me a proof of it. To be very honest, last time when we had submitted Toastmaster of the Year, we had sent certificates, all the winning certificates. If it was participation certificate, the agenda, if the person said they had participated in outside meetings, outside the club, then the agenda of the club along with maybe a picture of the screenshot. So all these have to be told to the members. Okay. And hence, the person who wins it will get a trophy and an outstanding Toastmasters pin. Next, in the same category as stated by the district office, you have a distinguished Toastmaster, which is a DTM. Again, there is a way of going about with it. It's generally have to complete 2 parts and things like that. That's up there. So this you can look at. I will just quickly go through this. The next office is the Program Quality Director's Office. So Program Quality Director's Office have a number of uh, awards. First one is Education Goal Contributor. Any member who completes level 4 and level 5, okay, from the same path. Like, for example, I have now completed level 4. I cannot go for this, provided I choose another path and I do level 4 and 5, okay? Between July 1st to April 15th. Now, there are many of you who are on level 3. You guys can go for it, okay? Because you can do 4 and 5 and finish it and you get this. Tell your members, tell your club members that there is something like this. So this has to be communicated to the members. So you can take this PPT and take it out and take out some slides and show them that's also possible. Or if whenever you're having an education session for all of them, or a XCOM meeting with all of them. Now, to get this, a member in a good standing of a club. When you say good standing, it means a member has paid dues. Please remember this terminology. Good standing means the member has paid all the dues. Okay. And is not eligible for Pathway Star. Now, Pathway Star Award is another award that you will come to see later. So if you're applying for that, you can't apply for this. The process is simple. You don't have to do anything extra. The details will be taken from the dashboard, and you will be given a trophy or a plaque, for your member. Next is a Pathway Star. So if you're going for this, you cannot go for this. Now, Pathway Star means you complete one whole path, not halfway through, not something that you started last year. A whole new path completed from July 1st to April 15th. Okay. Member in good standing of a club, and the dashboard will verify it, and a pin, Pathways pin, will be given for the member. Guiding star. All club officers need to be trained within. Okay, this is just for the club charter. This is not for you. Shining clubs. Clubs to achieve 5 DCP points by 31st December 2021. If you get your 5 points, and it's not very difficult, remember we had done that plan. It's kind of very easy especially for us at this point to get. If you get 5 DCP points by 31st, anyway, you're getting those points. Along with that, you also get an award trophy for as a shining club. Okay, you have to be a club in good standing. You cannot qualify for diamond or golden club, but you can go for this one. It will be verified through the dashboard. You will be given a trophy and a plaque. You can look at this. Next, um, excellence in education. Clubs which achieve 5 out of 6 educational DCP points. Please remember, now in the previous one that we saw, it's 5 DCP points. It could be any points. But here, it is 5 out of 6 educational. If you see, there are 6 points for education, 2 for membership, 2 for training, and 1 for something else, documentations. So out of 6, if you get 5, that means a total of, let's say, 4 level 1s, 4 level 2s, 1 level 4, 1 level 5, or something like that. If you get more or less, and that too by April 15, 2020, you automatically, the club gets, sorry, not the club, sorry, not the club, not the club. The VPED gets a trophy or a plaque. So VPED has to ensure that these things are happening on time. Okay. Again, club will be in good standing. Now, when you say a member in good standing means member has paid dues. When you say club in good standing, which means club membership should not go below 20 or 22, whatever is your base. At present, I think the base is 22. So you should not go below that. If you go below that, and even if you achieve this, it will stand null and void because the club is not in good standing. This is for VP education. You can take note of this. Flag bearer award. New clubs to be distinguished. Okay, now this is not for us. Flag bearer is for new clubs. Okay. Wait, hold on. This is for all the clubs which are chartered after me, not for us. Phoenix Award is also not for us because it is for clubs which have 12 or less than 12 membership. We have 22. Vasco has 22. So this is not for us. Consistent club. Now, this is another thing. If you get 20 plus member renewals in both cycles. So now in September and then again in April, if both the cycles, we have 20 members, let's say, who are renewing both time. Okay. Not 19 and all, 20 plus, both you get the consistent club award. It will be verified from the dashboard. The club gets a trophy or a plaque, and the club has to be good standing and not eligible for Diamond Club Award. So Diamond Club Award, if you're going for this, you don't get this one. Trend Breaker Award. Again, clubs having 20 plus members, which means we automatically qualify for it because we're 22 and become distinguished by April 15th, 2022. But look here. Now the catch is clubs having 15 or less than 15 base membership from last 2 years, this won't work for us. Okay, because we have just chartered and we don't have less than 15, we have 20 plus. So basically it means any club which had 15, now they have to have more than 20 plus members. So again, this is not for us. I thought it was for us, just so excuse me for that. Leading Club Award, yes, is another one that you could not go for because it is clubs having less than 15 base count. We already have 22, that's a base. Okay, total number of members is 22, so that's a base. When we started in July 1st, we started with 22, so that becomes a base. We should never go below that. Okay, so it's again less than 15 memberships, so we cannot go for it. We don't qualify for this. Golden Club Award. Clubs which achieve 10 out of 10 DCP points, plus we renew at least 20 members in both cycles. Okay, we have 22, so we have 20 both renew, and having net growth of +5 membership base by April 15. +5 membership, meaning 22 plus 5. Now, anyway, according for our DCP goals, we need how much? We need
in total of 8, 4 and
8.
4.
Yes, that's right. Okay. But what can happen is you may get 8, but let's say your members may not renew out of 22. Let's say 2 don't renew. Then you anyway fall to 28 instead of 30, right? So what we're looking at is a +5 membership base. Okay, +5 membership base. It will be verified through dashboard. But club will get a trophy or a plaque. Okay, again, club in good standing. So it should not go below 22. So that was about the program quality growth awards. This is Club Growth Director Award. Now this is a different office. This office has come with the quarterly awards. Okay, there are 4 quarters in a program here. Now why I was kind of telling her to please strategize and all is because of this. This came in a little late, and the day it came, I sent it to you all. Pre-Smedley. Now this is almost over. You remember it was there the other day. Add 3 new or dual or reinstated members in July. So the membership should start from 1st July and fees to be paid by 31st July to TI, which means if you had to take Urvi, you would have needed 2 more members. Could be, let's say, any reinstated member or dual member. That's also possible. And the club is in good standing. So this again ends. So this is only from July 1st to 31st July, which means for 1 month. So this is a pre-Smedley award. The moment July is over, this award is gone. Okay, it crashes in a way. Then we go to the next one, Hello Smedley. If you see, if June wala was this one, then July one, sorry, August to September 30th. For 2 months, you have this Hello Smedley. Now, again, this is given by the district. Huh? This is not TI International. We need to have 5 new or dual or reinstated or a mix. Okay, so let's say if you start with Urvi and if you add more, let's say 5 by September 30th, which again is the time when you actually have renewals, you automatically get Hello Smedley Award. So membership should start. It cannot be like, you add the member in August or September and pay in November. That doesn't work. Okay, you have to add, because I showed you the other day how to add members on the Club Central and then how to pay also. So all that has to be done. Club has to be in good standing. Club should not have qualified for Smedley Award in 2020 last program term. So it's not really, doesn't really matter for us. What happens? We get a recognition by Toastmasters International. So there is, the club gets it. There is a TI merchandise for the club VP membership. Additionally, if the club was below 20th, which is not for us, the club president would have got a TI merchandise, okay, because we are on 20. Then you have Smedley Top Up. This is for the clubs, uh, who had qualified last time for the Smedley Award, but somehow fell short of something. So again, you'll have to check, which I don't think we didn't qualify, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, it is just a top up. So you just get that back up. Now we have another one, which is a super sponsor. Any individual member who sponsors 2 or 3 or 5 members in a month, okay, from July to September, in any month in district, which means it should not be 2 in July, 2 in September. It's in 1 month you get all these. So anyway, you can either get 2, 3, or 5, whatever, right? You get, so like, for example, if you get 4, well, it may not be really possible. So you just make it 5 kind of a thing. You go to the next highest, and from July to September. And then what happens is memberships should start by July and September, and the payment should be made before end of the respective month. Now, please remember, the secretary, when she uploads the forms and everything, there is there is a place where you have to put the sponsor. Please put the person who brought that member, who gave the, gave the, what do you call it?
Lead.
Lead, yes. I got distracted by a message, Abrar, but yeah, okay. And there's a process to submit it. So that's how. Now, if at all the member, I'll tell you something that I used to do. If the member had come through, let's say, a PR activity or something like that, I would generally, share it amongst the XCOM members. Let's say if I will put, let's say, Vishal as one of the sponsors for the member, or Meenal for another, and go on, so on and so forth, like this. However, if there was any member who was closer to getting an award like this, might as well give it to that person. There's no point in just dividing it for no reason, and so it's for the XCOM to take a call. What happens is, category wise, the TI merchandise will be given. If it is 2, it's particularly, there is a cap for it. Next is a Torchbearer Award. A Torchbearer Award, clubs with minimum 10 members to do annual renewals. Okay, now you see, for September renewal cycle, if 10 members do annual renewal, which means instead of renewing from September till April, you do September to next September. You're getting it? So basically, instead of paying, let's say 4,000, sorry, 3,500, what we pay, right? 3,500, 4,000, whatever, you pay double of it. So let's say 7 or 8, whatever. You get 10 members to do annual renewals. Okay, what happens is the TI membership pin, all the members who do annual renewal will get a TI membership pin, plus the club gets a plaque. Now, last time we could not do it because we were new and it was kind of a little challenging, but this time probably you guys can look at it. Um, I know what YMC had done is they got all the XCOM members to do a renewal, annual renewal. So with XCOM members, you had 7 members who did straight away, and then they found 3 or 4, let's say, like-minded people. Obviously, you can do more from the club members who did it. So they got 10, minimum 10. This is something that you guys can look at. It's in September. You can already start planning for it. And thereby, what happens is you are safe for the April renewal. You don't really have to run after people for renewals and all that. It's also an easy job for treasurer. Okay. Next, the power of two. Now, a new or a dual or reinstated member joining a club from July 1st to April 30th, either a new or a dual or a reinstated. So reinstated, you can look at Clifford, you can look at Sanam, you can look at Anisha, a couple of them over there, or a dual member, any member who was somewhere else also but wants to be a member here also, or a new one. If you get 2 people, so let's say we got Shivani one, Urvi one, look for another person, okay? But Urvi has not paid till March 31st. So what we're looking at is if you can get them to pay till March 31st, which means when they are renewing, let's say not renewing, when they're applying July, August, you don't take just 6 months, but take August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So instead of 6, you take 8 and you renew and you mark them till March 31st. If this can be done, nothing like it, because you can aramse get this award of the power of two. Now, who gets it? Basically, data will be taken from the report, and VP membership has to submit this form. The merchandise goes to the member. The 2 members who have joined, they will get that merchandise. Now, I know for a reason Urvi has not. I mean, Urvi is spoken to. The payment is not done because anyway in September, in September she'll have to do that payment of additional 2 months, right? Because if you're doing August, from August onwards, her membership will be August, September. Okay, so 2 months you will pay for her. After that, her remaining pending you will pay in September, October, November, December, January, February, March. That 3 or 2 months what is remaining is what you will take from her in September. Instead of that, if something can be worked out amongst your club and decide something, you all could do it for her because she will get the merchandise. At the same time, it's anyway she would renew in September, right? For those 2 months. So she is doing it right away. Also, you are there. You are there, like, you're getting, what do you call it? Power of two here. The 2 means the renewals, number of renewals. You're doing like 2 renewals. You can look at that. Exceeding Everest. Now, maximum net growth percentage in membership count on September 30th as compared to July 1st. So July 1st, when we started, okay, our membership was 22. But by September 30th, if you can get maximum net growth percentage, the club will get an award. Maximum net growth percentage. Okay, so we're looking at net growth, not net growth percentage, not direct numbers. It's a percentage growth. For example, if you go from, let's say, now we were 20. Oh, man, hold on.
Anthony, we can qualify, right, for this one if we go for 5 members, I guess.
No, not just 5. No, it's not about qualifying or anything. We started with 22, right? Let's say by September 30th, we have 25 members. So it's a growth. It's 3 divided by 22 multiplied by 100. So our percentage growth is 13.63. Okay. 13.63 is a growth percentage. We're looking at percentage. So let's say if you started with 22, but you had a growth of, let's say, 5 members got added, or let's say 6 members got added. So technically it is 28, but we don't take 28. We do 6 divided by 22 multiplied by 100. So your percentage growth is 27%. You getting it? It's percentage calculation, huh?
Yes,
Don't.
Anthony.
So again, whichever is highest, that means the top 3 clubs within the cluster. You see, we come under CDOPW. Amongst here, the top 3 clubs with the highest percentage count, obviously, the more you do it, the higher your percentage count will be. But the higher percentage count, in the sense, it's also on the what we are starting. We are starting with 22. We are starting with high anyway. So it's based on that. So this also can be taken care of. Retention champs. Retain and renew 75% of base members, okay, by October 15, 2021. Retain and renew 75 base members. Now, please understand, 75 base members. We start, our base is 22, okay? 75% of that is 16.5, which means you need to retain 16 to really, let's say, 17 members who started, on July 1st. 17 members. You may add more. You will end up adding more. But the original, let's say from the original 16 or 17 members should be there. Okay. Please remember, it's not the membership count, not the membership count. We're looking at percentage, 75%, which again in our original numbers is 22 multiplied by 75% is 16.5. 16, so 17 members. All this will be captured. Mind you, all the XCOM members will get TI merchandise. Everybody. Okay. So you see, club needs to be 20 and above. We are 20 and above. We are qualifying for this. Now, apart from this, there are annual awards. Okay. So we have done district director award. We have done club growth director awards. We have done PQD, that is program quality director awards. Now we're looking at annual awards, some of the annual awards. You have growth leader. For example, let's say a member who says, hey, you know what, there's a possibility of chartering a club here. Somebody who gets the lead, and eventually, let's say if that kind of gets chartered, you get a trophy. Okay. So this is getting a lead. So you can tell me, and being the area director. 3 cheers is for clubs to achieve all 3: Smedley Award, Talk Up Toastmasters, Beat the Clock. Now, all these could be, you can find it on the TI website. It's there. Last time we had done it. And everybody who gets this, all 3, if you get TI merchandise or VP membership of both cycles. For both cycles, you get separately. So this VP membership could see. Helping hand. Now there is one opportunity here. Clubs who support a club with less than 15 members in conducting meetings, taking educational sessions, and building membership to reach at least 20 members by December 31st, or become distinguished club in the current program year by May 31st. Okay. Now, with less than 15 members in our club, in my area, that is W3, we have Anafont, Vasco, and Siemens. Anafont has 8 members? No. Anafont has more members, Abrar. Okay.
I think Margam has. I'm sorry, Margam.
No, that, yeah. So I think Margam doesn't come in this thing. But I would suggest Siemens is struggling. So if you, as an XCOM, decided maybe support that club, right, you will get this helping hand award, and anyway, they will also benefit. So club being supported should have less than 15 base membership. Their membership base is less than 15. Conduct at least one open house. One open house is like we have in Vasco. Okay, so you can have something like that. Any clubs who are interested in taking up the initiative should send an expression of interest to the CGD office before September 30th, because accordingly they will, kind of put you there, and that will be validated. The whole club gets a trophy once you bring them, let's say, to 15 members, or work to get them distinguished with 5 DCP goals. Apart from that, now there is Administration Manager Awards. Please, now this is very specific. In administration, you have excellence in administration at district stage. A club secretary who maintains minutes of all club meetings throughout the year, with any decisions ratified by club membership. Okay. Again, it should cover the summary of the meeting, general evaluator recommendations. Okay. Every time general evaluator gives some recommendation, put that in place as well. And Abrar, it's not required now. Okay. If the meeting is a special meeting, the GE session is not concluded, all that. The secretary must be trained during both TLTP, so that's happening. Uh, Maintain the minutes, prescribed minutes from July to 1st. Okay, then submit intent. There will be an intent that will be sent, a form. You have to show the intent and you have to submit it. Again, it has to be also what you call it, audited. Huh? No, wait, not audited. Not audited. It has to be directly emailed. Hmm? So this is social media recognition for the club. The club, will get coverage. Plug for secretaries of both terms. Now, why they say secretaries? Because some clubs are on a program year of 6 months, no? So if it is both, if it's annual tenure, then secretary gets it. So this is for me. No? Excellence in logistics. This is for sergeant at arms who participates in 75% of their home club meetings. Could be regular, special, milestone, or any other. Come on, we get 12 months. Okay. 12 months, 12 into 24 meetings we get. Okay. 24 into 75 percentage is 18 meetings. If the SAA participates in 18 meetings, automatically she gets this, she kind of qualifies for this. How do you know that she has participated? First of all, the registration links, the registration report, her agenda where her name is there. She also has to participate in at least 2 events beyond club level. For example, maybe there is some joint meeting, contest, workshops, wherein she has to participate as SA or Zoom master. Okay, and yeah, doing that, the person qualifies for it. Also must be trained, so the person is trained, maintained the prescribed agenda, like I said. Okay, and when the Google form is launched, they have to give their intent. Again, social media recognition and plug for SE. Finance manager, this is something that we got last year. Gopal managed to get it for the club, and that was excellence in, what did I do? Finance manager award, transparency in treasury. Club to maintain clear and accurate account of all transactions, receipts, expenses. Club to publish the consolidated accounts to the members of the club for every quarter. So July, August, September. By September, you publish it. In the sense, we put it up on the group, and then we also, after we have a small business session after the meeting, and you tell the members also. So that becomes like publishing it and getting it done. Club to conduct December audit. So a December audit. Wait, huh? Okay, no. So if it's since we are annual, we have an audit committee or independent auditor and publish the same for the knowledge of the members. So we can take somebody from the other club or amongst the in the club only we can have an audit committee and get it done. Last time we did it internally. All clubs members meeting. All club meetings. All club meeting the above criteria. So anybody who meets, okay, there's no limitation for the number of awards. When the Google form will be done, will be launched by the end of September. Mind you, this is coming now, soon. Okay, we have to say, hey, you know what, we are interested. Again, social media recognition for the club and plug for treasurers. So treasurer will get a plug. Okay, that will be it. PR managers for PR, sort of the VP relation who ensures promotional collaterals are used as per branding guidelines. Okay, whether you're following the branding guidelines, not just posters, collaterals, agenda, Zoom backgrounds, everything, but beyond. Execute at least one innovative PR campaign, at least one PR campaign to promote Toastmasters in their term, in innovative. Attend all VPPR TLTP trainings in their term. One in case, obviously, because otherwise you'll have two. Again, you will be asked to upload to the shared drive folder one example each what was created in a zip file, and what details of what it has. Minal had wonderfully done this last time. You can seek her help, or it's there on the drive as well to see how to go about with it. Attendance of COTP training and PR training will be tracked from the DPRM, that is the District Public Relations Management Committee, and you will get a plug for yourself and recognition on social media. So that's with the awards. Any questions? We'll take it now. If not, this has been shared with you. You can decide how you're going to go. Any questions?
No, Anthony. Thank you.
Shivani?
No, Anthony. Thank you.
Yeah. Saurav,
No.
Manish.
No, thank
Okay,
you.
great. Yeah. President, you may go ahead.
Thank you, Anthony. Uh, Anthony, can you help in drafting the club success plan? If you have the template, we can just type in.
Don't you have the template at this point? Because I don't.
I have it. Let me open. I'll share my screen.
Yeah, might as well you just directly type in it. Especially the main points you type. Other things maybe you all can the names and all you can type whenever it's possible for you all and do it.
Yeah, can you see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes. Why have you opened this one?
This is our. This is
Ah,
what.
okay,
we have-
okay. Correct.
The core, this is done. Composition. Core values. Is there anything else we need to add in here?
I request the other XCOM members to please contribute in the sense that look at it, what it is, and just see
What
what really works for you. Be very honest here because this is more like a reality checker. If there is something you don't think it works in our club, say it out, no problem. This is not to impress
Or
anyone. Eventually, it comes to me. That's
core values ideally will not change, no?
yeah. If you think there is something that should be knocked off or something that should be added to, it's very subjective. It's what the club believes. It's not only Toastmaster core values. Huh? It is a club executive committee. So last year we had a different core values, right? This time you all can come with your own. Maybe for some of them, I'm just saying, maybe you all may want to add integrity, which last time when was not there. You all can always decide on that. Just saying. You don't have to add it because I'm saying.
Avrar, I think this is fine. Let's move on to other things because there are many things. Right?
No, because respect and integrity are actually correlated. So if you're having mutual
Yeah.
respect, probably you can just add mutual respect instead of keeping it as respect.
So let's go to the next one. What principle does the club XCOM hold? Collaboration,
Yeah,
work,
collaborative work.
Operating principles ideally should follow the core values.
There are also these examples which are given in the bracket. Huh?
collaboration.
Yeah, here you can bring
Anything
class.
else?
Innovation, innovative, or anything.
Collaboration, innovation, and Anthony.
Yeah, I'm good. We need it from the you guys. Eventually, it's going to come to me. There's no point in me putting my thoughts in it.
Delegation,
Collaboration and delegation will not go hand in hand.
Smart one.
anything else?
Mutual trust, then what you say, teamwork, all this should be our operating things. Actually, teamwork and collaboration are more or less the same thing.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
हम लोग म्यूचुअल ट्रस्ट निकाल के टीम बिल्डिंग कर देने का क्या ऑपरेटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स में
Tell me.
शिवानी
Yeah.
The committee's committee's principles would be collaboration, innovation, and mutual trust, or we should keep it as team building.
Hmm.
I think team building is more of a principle
Hmm.
than mutual trust.
Is that
You want
okay?
to excel in leadership and all, Abrar? Probably then that can also be an operating principle.
Come again, Manish. I did not hear you.
Excellence in leadership.
Excellence in leadership, it's a good point, but I don't see it fitting in team operating principles. Like that would be a principle that you would work. I mean, the team would work around. I mean, provided you have it another way to say. Just saying, huh?
Okay, fine. We'll go for the next.
Hmm?
It's already 10:15. See, obstacles, delay.
Good, very good.
Come again.
Obstacle, I'm joking. Obstacles, one of the obstacles for us would be, what is it? All of us coming at the same time. I mean,
So yeah,
how do you?
the question says, what obstacles will the club executive committee have to consider when strategizing? When you're strategizing, for example, this could be like these obstacles might include conflicting personal commitments, like you said. Now that you were saying, so you can go on.
Yeah, that's the major one.
And
Put it
Shivani, even
down.
your obstacle, no? You don't get any people to take up roles.
Yeah.
Primarily,
So
Manish Mehta.
right, right, Manish Mehta there. Okay, so Abrar, I think the major obstacle is the timing of our meetings. I don't know how you would frame that because many people are not available on Fridays because it's a working day.
So what do you want me to put here?
Scheduling meetings, scheduling appropriate time for meetings. That can be one of the obstacles because we all are willing to, but the time is becoming a hurdle.
How do we frame the
Scheduling
Like if,
meetings which suit everybody's timeline, huh? Suiting everybody. Scheduling meetings suiting everybody's timelines. Is it also? Fine, good.
Anything else?
Saurav, speak, man.
Yes, hello. I think the timings are a major obstacle. Other than that, there's nothing else as a major obstacle.
Then do we foresee a problem with networking? Like we will not be able to connect with the correct people for adding members.
Correct. Yeah, that can be one.
I think major
No.
obstacle is working as a team because all of us are very individually working. This is what I've seen. So I
It's,
don't know if
yeah, our
that's an
potential
obstacle or
obstacle
what.
is our principal. Yeah, that's true.
By the way,
That's true, though.
we're not looking at major obstacles. We're looking at obstacles in general. So don't.
Yeah, actually, that can be, but that's true. The collaborate because
Put
everyone
it.
have different time.
Right.
Collaborating is an obstacle because everybody has their own time when they're free. So that is an obstacle.
Yeah, no, absolutely, absolutely. You can have a principle, but it may be very difficult to work around that principle. That's also possible.
Correct. So we
Yeah,
can put
telling
that.
truth is principle, na, but we are not able to tell all this.
Correct, absolutely. Good. You may want to type it out, Abrar, quickly.
What is that?
Collaborating.
No, what is that? No, something else.
No, not collaborating.
I said team bond or working as a team.
Functioning of a team.
Team effectiveness, correct?
That also.
Maybe collective execution. I mean, everybody's working as a
That
team,
is a
but
correct word. That is a correct word.
Right.
we are not able to
Collective
execute
efforts,
it.
right.
Yeah, everybody's putting efforts,
Yeah.
but individually at their own times. So that's what
Problem comes in when we have to give a solution to this.
Yeah.
Is there anything else we need to add in here?
You only decided the saying that for all the obstacles we will have to give a solution. So now we will not
No,
make anything out of it.
keeping the existing members active. I think that is also an obstacle. Since last meeting, lot of people didn't turn up. So
You
I think
mean
that is an obstacle.
So members
Yeah.
engagement.
Correct.
Correct, member
Member
engagement.
engagement.
Anything else, or do we go ahead?
Right.
Go ahead, you can
We
come
can
up.
go ahead.
Otherwise, they may just say time management.
I would have said slow typing.
Is there anyone else who can do it first?
Abrar, read out the thing, no?
Meeting protocol. In general, how will the club XCOM process tasks? For example, consider how often to meet or call, what the meeting practice will be.
Twice
I
a
think we
month.
will be generally having fortnightly, no?
Connect through WhatsApp or calling.
Fortnightly meeting with invitations on WhatsApp, correct?
You put it one line or two, no?
Connecting on WhatsApp, email, and then
That's good enough. I think these two are good enough.
We can have a meeting on like every second Saturday or something like that, right? It will be great.
Fortnightly meetings.
Yeah, just one thing I would like to say. Generally, when the clubs were offline, they would have XCOM meetings or business sessions immediately after the meeting, so that everybody is there, just finish it there and there. That is something the club could look at. Basically finish the XCOM also just immediately after the meeting. Take, let's say, 20 minutes and just finish it there. That is something you could look at.
So maybe a business session after the
Post meeting. Meaning, see, if there is something very special, important, something like this, then you call for meetings, additional meetings. But if not, anyway, twice you're meeting, no? It's a trend that many clubs have. I mean, not they don't do it now because everybody is bored, but it's something we used to do when we were offline.
So by the way, I have to pay tomorrow or I don't have to pay? I have to wait till August for the movie.
What, Manish?
I have to pay tomorrow her charges or I have to wait till...
You'll have to wait till August.
You'll have to wait till August.
On August 1st, I don't ask anybody, I just pay, huh?
Yes. Yes.
Pay and just inform your XCOM.
That I will do.
And
Can you go
generate the
ahead?
receipt, Manish. Yeah, go ahead, Abrar.
Team interaction. How will decisions be made?
How decisions will be made, team interaction and behavioral norms.
Collective decision making.
We'll brainstorm, come up with ideas.
So that's what, no?
And then it will be presented to everyone.
So collective, no? It's not autocratic, so it's collective.
Collective decision. What would be the club executive committee method of communication? Determining the first preference, second preference, and so on. WhatsApp, correct me, followed by calls. Done?
Yeah.
And when we are having this meeting on this Zoom and all that, what we should write for that?
I actually feel more than email, it's actually Zoom.
Okay.
I'm just saying, I mean, email can be, it's again how you want to function.
Done?
See, remember, whatever you're writing, it becomes like your guiding principles. It's nothing right or wrong as such. It's just being honest so that it helps the club. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
We are on page 22 pages. All are this only.
Yeah, Manish, you remember we had done this last year after the meeting.
Sorry, I was not.
I think I will have a recording of that meeting. But actually,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, fine.
Go ahead, go ahead.
What will the communication parameters be? Parameters might include whether the club ExCom communicates by phone or email, how long will meeting last, how often will the committee members communicate with each other and with the area director. Anthony,
Abrar, you had the old club plan open, right?
yes.
Go to that, and go to the third.
I have opened it. I'll read it for if you want.
Here it's there. You all can see what was written. Similarly, you all can work on similar ideas or other, just to get an idea what to answer in there. Here, this was it, no?
Yes, this one.
Copy paste kar lo ye seedha.
If it is suiting, you all can, huh?
Because there is no change. Honestly speaking, it is एकदम perfectly fitting.
Done.
Now this all decide. You all don't go and copy paste there. How will you all resolve if all there is difference?
No, we will not have any differences because we have a counselor in our ExCom now.
That's very optimistic. Wait until she starts charging all of you.
I think
You see,
discussions.
there
Na?
are
Yeah.
Yeah.
Propose and then we'll have discussion.
Put it.
Open discussions.
Open discussion as in with the person, right? Not
I
like Shivani, I have a problem with you. Come, we'll discuss it in the meeting.
I guess depends on the kind of problem. Yeah,
Wow.
it can be resolved then.
Yeah, Abrar, I have a problem with you. Come, let's go live on Facebook.
Live.
So then that will be open-ended discussion.
Okay, open
Or
discussion.
we can just go to area director, Anthony.
Yeah, right. I'll be like, chalo, let's get on YouTube.
How will the club, can we go with the next one?
Yeah, please go ahead.
How will the club ExCom members support one another?
Yeah, please tell me this.
You want to see what was written in the last times?
Good.
This is something that we really followed
Dialogue.
throughout. I'll be very honest. There were differences, but every time there was a difference, we actually spoke directly to the person. I would call or they would call, and being very objective. It should not be like I think. That's what actually helped us to resolve any differences.
We
that
did
we
have
had.
differences. We did have differences. I'll use the same one.
I mean, I hope you'll agree with
No,
that.
this will not be clear, not through dialogue and objectivity in the decision making. Support one another. No.
Yeah, this
This
is
would
for
be more like how do we communicate within ourselves.
Abrar, can you
Somebody
just
is
go
not
back
able
to
to take up a role.
Abrar, can you just go back to the previous one? This one says members support one another. Go to.
This would be on the top.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you all have
Open
written anyway, so don't change it. You all have actually written what you wanted. So look what was there in the old one for how will the club executive committee members support one another, collaborate during tasks and step up with each other's roles whenever necessary. Yeah.
Correct. ये copy कर लो.
Copy कर लो, पर बाद में तुम लोग follow भी कर लो.
अब भारी तब करने वाला है.
No, but I have seen you guys last 2 meetings. You all are doing it. Huh? You all are doing. Somebody or the other is coming. I mean, you all have to do it, but you all are helping each other.
Through deadlines, how will the club XCOM be held accountable for its responsibilities?
Hmm.
By communicating.
No, how?
Yeah.
How do you ensure
How?
that they are responsible? देखना है
Actually,
क्या
ना,
दिखा था?
Finding on WhatsApp
नहीं,
and having
ना नहीं वैसा
find
नहीं नहीं ये नहीं है वो उन लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं कि अगर हमसे वो कुछ हो नहीं रहा है
Hmm.
like if I am not able to meet my scheduled task, okay, how will you as a team help me to meet that?
No, and hold you accountable for it. Huh?
how
Accountable.
do you hold?
Help is fine. How do you hold the person accountable?
By giving
Yeah.
deadlines.
Yeah,
Last year के
set
syllabus में
deadlines.
check कर सकते हैं.
Track कर
I think deadlines, yeah. It should.
Define responsibilities and meet targets.
That was one, but what Shivani was said was also correct.
Targets. Yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं, हम लोग we will borrow that IT concept, objective oriented planning. वो
and HR में है ना वो KRAs, KPAs.
KRS, KPIs.
नहीं, वो मत देखिए हमें हम तो चलता
I still remember that. KRAs, KPAs. कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ.
It's good for documentation. So,
Correct. Actually,
हाँ,
this
अब
small.
in this place not to write meet that deadlines, highlight deadlines.
Yeah, correct. Like this was your task, पर तू किया नहीं.
How will club XCOM and supporting members be recognized for their efforts? Through giving them certificates
Very good.
of appreciation.
Good. Last time we didn't have it. Good. It's a good step if you guys are planning.
Before
on
I
doing it.
write that, I would just like to go to a previous acknowledge the efforts.
Same thing. What you said.
लेना ही
Last year का answer paper क्या है कर रहा क्या? No, but I
This
think
is like we for 10th and all we used to have a 5-year questionnaire, you know.
Yeah. Hey, no, but I'll tell you something, guys. One of the things that you have started with certificate of appreciation, I think it's very good. Continue with it. Ensure that it's done. It really motivates. It also helps the member tomorrow if they want to apply for the Toastmaster of the Year award. Okay, go ahead.
Your club. This is 20,
Your
no?
club membership base.
No, your club membership base is 22. Last year when we started, we were 20. This year when we started in July 1st, 22. How many members does your club aim to have as on June 30th? That means
30.
Next year,
next
2022.
Let's keep it less.
2022, yeah.
So let's keep it 20.
So how much 10% growth means 2 members addition, 20% growth means 5 members addition.
No, percentage, no. Now I think it's a number we require. How many members it is saying? Directly give a number. See,
Yes.
remember that to get those 2 points, you need 8 members in all total.
Okay. And
So then you can put
let's
30.
be
We
honest.
try for that.
let's be honest, there will be few of them who will also leave.
No, but
Correct.
here that doesn't count here. We're just saying how many members does your club aim to have?
Yeah, that's right.
And this is the
Base plus
target, na?
whatever.
So low
by
aim is
June
correct.
30, by June 30, even if people leave it, so we'll keep it at 30, you're saying. For example, if 4 of them leave, then it will be 18 plus 8. 26.
26.
How about we keep it at 20?
Wouldn't that be net growth?
Yes.
The next. Correct, no?
That would be net growth.
Yes. Correct. 8 members.
No, here I think you have to put 30 and 22 or whatever it is. What reduction you see.
No. Correct.
8 members.
Yeah.
The total, the gross. So
30.
20, so 30, no?
Here it would be
22 plus 8.
30 and bottom would be 26.
How much?
26. If
26,
4
that's
members you are
Okay.
expecting to leave.
So that means you're kind of saying that 2 members may kind of not renew. Okay, fine. Goals to achieve. 5 of 10 goals to become distinguished. How many of 10 goals does your club aim to achieve? How many do you guys plan on achieving?
10.
9, 10.
Oh my God,
10.
Shivani, why
Why
9?
9?
Sorry, 10.
This is something that we have already looked at, right? We have planned
Yes.
education.
Mm.
Huh? So we know education goals, situation analysis.
Anthony, you want me to go up?
No, it's okay.
Scroll up. It's fine. right?
How will your club support its mission to add new members? क्या करेंगे?
Requesting everyone to get
By
a
in-
member.
One would be
Marketing it.
but
Yeah, say, Manish.
I think first now what we as individuals can do that should come first, and then would be publicity and marketing.
Requesting members to join regularly and try to get a guest.
Invite a guest, not get a guest. एक मैं ग्रामेरियन का रोल कर रहा हूँ इधर.
कर लो
ये
यार,
तो ले ले.
कर लो यार, कोई बात नहीं, इसीलिए यहाँ आए हम.
Boot camp like, they should give you.
We need some good marketing, guys. Like, I've been trying to bring my wife to the meeting. I'm not being public.
you come for the whole meeting first and bring her. Saurav started coughing, see, with that joke. Either coughing or choking, I
Okay.
don't know.
How will your club support its mission to add new members? Requesting members to regularly marketing on
Abrar, I think that's slightly odd. Requesting members to regularly and invite a guests.
members to attend. Sorry, attend regularly. Invest.
Invite guests.
Invite guests.
Marketing on social media platform, okay, fine.
Anything else?
For the time being,
Convincing your friends to join. That would be a.
that is good.
Fine, I mean, it's okay.
Marketing within Toastmasters.
How will that
I mean-
add to the members?
So there's a possibility
craft.
we can get another Toastmaster to join for the next session in our club if he is from another Toastmaster club.
You
Yeah,
mean
no,
what?
that's fine. Getting members as role players or coming, it's fine. But we're talking about adding members, no? Mission to add new members, if it's see.
What
That
about?
would be
Okay,
even possible.
What about?
It's Toastmaster in general, not just our club, right?
No, we're saying
add
adding
new-
new
Okay.
members to
Okay.
the club. That means adding non-Toastmaster members to the club.
Okay.
Actually, here their aim is for increasing in membership.
Yes. It's basically giving you an idea how you could improve. Yeah.
How about mentioning about having more offline meetings or maybe having a speech craft which we had spoken about earlier?
Possible.
Actually, now our funds don't support. Otherwise, we should be holding this.
Yeah, no, but
The
for
way,
Manish, go ahead. Sorry.
the way that we did during the Vasco Club. Now, there if we can do as 1 or 2 Sundays in a year, only PR activity. Putting our board there, having 1 or 2 people take a speech. The customers who come, like, come, you have to speak on this. That kind of. That for that we need funding.
Special meetings. Anthony, what do you call speechcraft? A special meeting or what
What is
is
Speechcraft today? Speechcraft is not a special meeting. Speechcraft
I mean-
is a program.
program?
It's a program of 1 month. Okay. I think you should go
Yeah,
ahead.
that'd be good. That's good.
How will your club prepare its new members to work in pathways? Who will be responsible for showing them around base camp? If I may, Shivani,
Yeah.
Assign mentors, right?
yes.
Right.
Well, I have a slight difference of opinion here. How many mentors actually use pathways in the sense, how many members actually help mentees to go through the pathways? You may want to redefine this. May want to redefine this. And I'm not speaking about anybody in particular. I'm just saying in general because I've heard, I mean, you guys also will know how many times your own mentors have taken you all through Basecamp.
That's true.
But here I will not comment because I've been very hooked as member.
So no, hence I'm saying if you think something can see, because this is it's not about identifying problem and just keeping it as it is. If you think possibly, something like in the first, see, you don't have to be one person. You can say strategize something like for the first 2 months, so and so will do it. For the first 6 months, so and so will do it. Then next 6 months, somebody else will do it. That's also possible.
Can we have an associate officer, someone from apart from the XCOM who can take up the role
Yes.
and who can specialize only in pathways, like and help?
Not specialize in pathways, but
I mean,
see, it's about showing them around Basecamp.
so can
Okay, so you could have my suggestion is probably if you want, you can divide this responsibility. Let's say for the first 3 months, every quarter you can have somebody who does it. Also because see, then that person knows exactly, because let's say my mentor may not be like your mentor. Your mentor may show you each and everything. My mentor may just not show me, and I don't even know what it is. My mentor may just say, hey, this is Basecamp, watch this video. How do you ensure that everybody gets the same kind of standard kind of introduction to Basecamp or pathways when they're choosing
I
their
was
path?
I was just wondering that if at the
Yeah.
end of every meeting, if a small 10-minute session or a
Yeah.
I don't know how
I
much time it
remember.
requires
Yeah.
to highlight on the path.
Yeah. To be very honest, it is very good. However, remember one thing, that you will join, new members will join not at one point in time, but continuously. So you're
So
getting it?
every meeting that could be there, like
Every
on
meeting
pathway,
may
at least
take
a
away
5-minute discussion, 5-minute or 10-minute discussion.
every
Okay.
Eh,
And then
Yeah, so
because this could be like a
Anthony,
reminder, brushing up.
yeah, but that may take a lot of your meeting time, to be very honest. It's fine. But who will do it?
No, because I do not know the pathways, honestly speaking. So I might be speaking foolish. You have to correct me. But I was just wondering, like, just to tell that there is pathway. I really do not know anything on pathway.
Anthony, I think if the
we have a-
mentor and VP head or mentor and president could do it together, the assigned mentor. So the mentor mentee and VP head or mentor mentee and president, something like that.
Good. I think that's also a fair choice.
how about we have a pathway officer who helps everyone, who is there within a club. And
I
for
think this is
example,
also
maybe
yeah.
Fiona, she is a part of it for a long time.
Don't take decisions for anyone, Luba. You'll have to ask the member. You can
Yes.
suggest.
Can
You
we?
can suggest.
Yeah. So can we have a path? So what do I write here? Have a pathway officer.
You can put multiple things also. I mean, there are a couple of decisions that have come up here or solutions.
Shivani, what did you say?
I said have a meeting, mentor, mentee, and VP head or president. Introductory meeting, whatever.
Induction.
Anthony, I was actually thinking of this pathway introduction for Akanksha and Urvi,
Akanksha would be correct. And
Yeah.
Amit.
Amit,
No, Amit,
Kenneth also.
Kenneth, I've done.
Yeah, you have done Kenneth. Aryaman, if he's there.
Yes, please get in touch with Aryaman. Yes. Get this guys. Even see, it should not. You don't have to do it like during meeting hours or whatever. Just take it offline as in separately and just do it for them.
Mm.
So have a pathway officer, induction with the mentor, and VP head. Either of them.
No, Baba, either or, that is fine. No, you don't have to give definite things here.
What actions have been taken to motivate members to attend club meetings and sign up for meeting roles?
Yeah, we really need to plan this.
Ensure that every member, or we have every member can take only one role, and we have that way we have maximum speaking opportunity.
That's good. That's good. I mean, it sounds very optimistic and nice, but sometimes last minute you have to double up. So it's a good thing that members are encouraged or to take. But how do you do that? That's the question. What actions are taken to
No,
motivate?
actually, Anthony, see what happens is now each member can take only one role is our objective. Okay. because that member is not able to turn up or he's not able to take that role, somebody else has to chip in. So our like as an excom, we will say that we would encourage one person to take one role in a meeting.
Yeah, exactly.
If by
Exactly. So
exception somebody has to double up, then that is a that's event based, no?
yeah, fine. No, that's absolutely true. But what I'm saying is, how do you motivate? As in, what's the motivation? How do you go about the things
Um,
with it?
we can
Correct.
ask for a
Motivate. Like you may say one member takes
Action.
one role, but he may not be ready for that. Right?
I don't know
Action-based.
about motivation, but this is something what came to my mind is when there is a speaker, for example, if Anthony is speaking, we tell that this is so and so is the topic. We speak about Anthony on social media, maybe in a line or two, what he's going to talk about.
Good,
That-
but that would be social media, right? That would be marketing or PR.
Yes, but that will
We-
also motivate them and maybe, hold them accountable, kind of, that it's already out there that they are speaking. What do you feel? Like an Instagram
Saurav,
story, maybe.
Saurav, what were you saying?
Hello. Yes, I was saying taking a review from the existing member. So once we take a review, so we know why they joined Toastmasters. So once they realize it, then they'll take up roles. At least they will try to be active. So taking a review can be one thing, a quarterly or monthly review. I think quarterly would be fine
For
because
me,
little meetings.
making a member feel comfortable and accepted, that makes him more pleased to attend meetings.
How do we do that?
I think we need
Could
to
you elaborate on
meet
that?
above. We need to have informal meets.
But
Correct.
I was just Manish brought up a very
Offline.
interesting point. Manish, but when you say comfortable, what exactly? I mean, if you could just elaborate.
Yes, see, what happens is sometimes there are guys who will come to a meeting. They may be liking the meeting, but they may not have the courage to speak. So they may remain silent. So how to make that person feel comfortable? How to bring him to the core? So this thing, but identifying such thing is also difficult, especially when we are on a Zoom. It becomes extremely
Yes.
difficult. But those are the areas where they keep every person at our club starts speaking, and he feels comfortable to speak amongst us to begin with, and later on in the public. That changes the course. No? So that is what we should aim at.
Yeah, I think like Shivani said, informal meetings or offline meetings that we had, I think that can be done through that. What Manish said.
No, I'm not even saying meetings. I'm just saying just meet, just informal
One
meet.
question. One question. Shivani, have you spoken to all the members? Now that you are the VP Education, I'm sure you might have done.
Yeah,
So,
most of them.
Most of them. Manish, have you spoken to all our members?
No.
No. So what can the primary, step be right here that, first we need to communicate amongst ourselves and then it's kind of, build that bond. So how can that happen?
By the way, I was gonna update you on this. I was gonna ask you, is it so I post those posters on WhatsApp group, right? Is it right if I post it on like personally to every member, those who are not active?
Please do that, Saurabh.
Is that
please.
suggestible? Is that suggestible? I'm
Also,
asking.
Saurabh, I
that
was
won't be
supposed
fun.
to
You can
tell you.
really.
Yeah, Manish.
No, if somebody feels offensive, Saurabh, then they will communicate to you. That's saying that
Yes,
at this
yes.
moment you please don't.
So should I
So
do it
you feel free
personally
to do
from
it.
next?
Yeah,
Because-
And you
because-
will gauge. You will
yeah,
gauge the
because-
response.
Because on group now I realize ignoring becomes very easy. You see something and you just scroll down.
Correct.
So once
Like how
send
you
it-
ignored me.
what I ignored, I posted. Hey, others ignored.
Okay, Saurabh, listen, I was supposed
Yes.
to tell you one more thing. Get
Yes,
in
yes.
touch with the TMOD and ask him about the theme separately.
Yes,
like,
yes,
for
yes,
example,
yes.
this time it's Rishabh, right? You call
Yeah.
him and ask him, what is it? What are you planning to do? What are you looking at? Call him. Connect with the TMODs.
Yeah, of course. I mean, the most TMODs are, I mean, they connect. The TMODs, the people who take roles do connect, but there are members who participate I thought in that direction. All role players do connect with each other. I have realized that. That doesn't become an issue.
So what are the actions now?
Sending them a personal invite.
It's 10:45.
Yeah, and there's a lot.
I know. I suggest one thing. If you
Reviews.
guys want to kind of stop at this and then continue maybe tomorrow or something, that also can be done. Huh? But it's just that everybody should be there.
Okay, let's finish this page then.
I'm okay with finishing up with this tonight. Manish, are you okay with that? Because we'll have to connect again in the morning.
Yeah,
We'll
I think
quickly-
Abrar, it may be too late to finish up the whole thing, to be honest, and that's why I was saying this would take time. This takes time, actually. And that too, you know what? If one person just sits and does it, it will be one
This
person's
is
view.
22
We
pages. All
need-
22 pages are like solution.
Taking a review quarterly is okay. Can that be added?
Yes.
Of their experience or performance, or asking them what they are seeking in their membership. You can ask them that also.
What are the rules?
Expectations, asking them for the expectations from the club. Or knowing their expectations.
Member goals.
Hello.
Yes. What do we do? Do we continue with this or do we stop now? Anthony, what do you suggest? Is it okay for you if we could quickly finish it in another half an hour?
Not really, Abrar, because it's quite extended, and I
Yeah.
have something I need to look at.
When do
Okay,
we do this?
so before we go, I won't be there tomorrow morning for this. But I want to discuss about the offline meeting which you are planning on 7th, right? The anniversary meet. There are 17 of them who have said yes for an offline meeting.
Wow.
Sorry, 17 of them who have filled the form. So there are still 5 people who are not filling the form. Noon. Although I texted them and although I called them and all that. So out of 17, there are 10 people who said yes to the offline meeting and 7 people said no, said yes to the online meeting.
So we have 10 yes and 7 no.
7 for online meeting, yeah.
It's not
And
no.
for-
It's not no.
Okay,
See,
yes.
that's what I was saying.
It's not no. It's not no, yeah.
It's just that because the question was, what do they prefer? Preference was
Right.
asked.
Right.
Okay. So what do we do? Do we have an offline meeting or do we wait for the other 5 members?
I think you'll have to start planning already with the data that you have. It's a good data to go with.
Anthony, but personally, what do you feel as an area director maybe?
Forget area director. As a member, I said I want offline.
Okay.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना. It's your
Do you
area
think
director
it's
won't
risky
visit
at
you.
this point? Do you think it's risky at this point?
See, dude, to be very honest, if it was risky, then the club shouldn't have put out this proposal in first place.
We were just checking. We did not really.
But that's the thing, no, bro. See, that's what I'm saying. The thing is, if you were not ready for it, then what was the point in taking it so ahead, like taking it ahead? It's like, what would you tell the members now? That no, we're finding it risky. I mean, it's normal to say yes. Okay, probably, it's risky because cases are increasing, but at this point, cases are increasing. Today we have 0 deaths. I mean, reported.
Deported, correct.
Again, it's fine. Whatever decision you take, you guys take, it's fine. But as an EXCOM, you'll decide. As an EXCOM,
Okay.
the 10 people are there to
Yeah, but I think the 10 people are who have said yes. I've spoken to them and they are really looking forward. Like, for example, even Akansha, Swayam, or Rishabh, you can say, they are. Even Swayam was telling me that offline meeting was really much more fun than an online meeting, and they are really looking forward. So, if we
Also,
could go ahead, even with the
Yeah.
10 members, just a
And
thought.
yes.
and we also got Aryaman from an offline meeting event, right? He
Right,
Exactly.
right.
how so it can be an opportunity where we pull in more members if of
Yeah.
course it's in a mall, so we can expect other people to join as well.
So,
Even
that
Amrit was looking forward.
yeah, even so that, and plus we can also invite the others kind of a thing. So ensure that the whole spoken, permissions and all the permission meaning nothing from the district, huh? From yourselves, like going and talking to the like, because I remember last time when I was there, Abrar majorly went and spoke, and then we kind of got things organized. So that you have to mobilize things, and as a XCOM, you may have to use extended help or whatever and get this done. But it has to be done because, see, last time, I mean, thanks to Abrar, because of him, he managed to get things done. And within, I think, less than a week, we just got that thing done eventually. It was an idea we executed. This time, you guys have time, and it can be really a good marketing event. You're turning one, you can put it on the papers or whatever. A lot of things can be done. Okay.
Okay.
So personally, if you ask me, I'm okay, and I think I really prefer an offline, at least one offline, to be very, very honest. And probably even if it is hybrid, no, nothing like it. Nothing like having a hybrid meeting. Sadly, my last time, I think my internet kind of got exhausted because I was using that thing. But even if I, let's say, if we set up something, wherein we have internet coverage and all that, it'd be good. Again, you don't really have to look at 1930. If you have anything else in mind, also can be worked out. But you have to work it out. Huh? That's the whole thing.
Okay. Let's do one thing. Shivani, just mention it in the XCOM tomorrow, and then by tomorrow evening we can take the decision if we can
If
go
you all
ahead.
are ready to do it outside Vasco, then we can do here in the cafe.
We're
Cafe
okay with
Susu.
it. Shivani has a cafe in Pilar, and it is really good.
I know. See, absolutely. Now, what happens is
Where is Pilar?
on the way to Mandir.
On the way to Old Goa, after Agasen.
Now, my point is very simple that if you're targeting members from Vasco, members in guests from Vasco, then it would be nice to have it in Vasco.
Vasco.
Now, because when earlier also, sorry, Shivani had told me
Shivani.
about it, and what I thought is that you could have a meeting that way offline, which is more for a club meeting rather than a showcase event or a socials. You understand? That would be, let's say, 15 members want to have a meeting and we all go there. It's fine. Members may like will travel or whatever. But if you're looking at a footfall and people coming there, members from Vasco may not really end up traveling to, let's say, Pilar for a meeting which is at whatever time. Do I make sense, Shivani?
So you want XCOM to happen at Pilar, but not the general meeting, correct?
No, I'm saying no, not that way. I'm not just saying XCOM. I'm saying if tomorrow just the
That's okay,
club
right?
decides to have one of the meetings. Let's say you say, hey, let's have next meeting at so and so. You can have it. But if you are thinking of having a meeting and inviting guests and converting them, and especially having like a blind walk-ins, then that may not happen.
Okay. How about we check with members' convenience if that's okay? We can have one socials at Shivani's
Yeah, of course,
cafe.
of
Yeah.
course. I would love to,
But
man. I love that place.
okay. And what about the club success plan? Do we do it tomorrow? It's
I,
already
f- I feel you guys complete. You can complete it tomorrow.
okay.
Okay, you guys can complete it
Anthony,
tomorrow.
can we get a grace period of maybe another day? Can we give it by 26th if that's okay with
If you
everyone?
can give it to me even by late night is not a problem. I will try to buy some time from the higher ups on my side. Okay, don't worry. No issues.
Okay, Anthony.
Okay.
Because to be very honest, I have a wedding to attend. My cousin is getting married
Yeah,
tomorrow. And
yeah.
today also I have a few arrivals, and with the other things going on, it might be a little difficult for me.
No problem. No problem. Again, if if you're not there, if anybody else can take over and do it also, that's fine. Or what you could also do is, put whatever you feel, and then give it to your XCOM, and XCOM can actually discuss it in minus plus whatever you'll want, and give it. That's also possible. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I think that's all from my side, and I think I will drop. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining, Anthony,
Yes.
Manish,
Bye.
Shivani, and
Thanks a
Saurabh.
lot.
Bye, Saurabh. Bye,
Good.
Manish.
Right.
Okay, good night. Bye bye.
Bye.
Good night.